right, so this is the DV8 hardtop for Jill's JK. It's her Christmas present. And they packaged it really well. Nice crate job. It was wrapped really good with the wrap. They come with a couple boxes. That's the front top. This is the hard top, but it's bolted down there really good and well crated. So we're gonna get on tearing that apart. Take out these brackets, which is where your hardtop,
just like that,
where the back part of your hardtop connected, and that's going to need to be cleaned there, Jill. All right, we thought that maybe this would need to be trimmed with the new top, but if you trim that and then put the top on, that would mean it's a permanent install. But DV8 thought of that you might want to go back to your soft top, and they put, there's a divot right in here. So to give you an overall view, this is the back of the top. In order to do that, all you gotta do is take off this little bolt, pull this back and pull it off, and you are done. All right, well, that's it. Top's installed. Always make sure you close the top first before you close the door. By the way, the door is what will hold the top so people can't get in there. You need to rip the seal across here. And all you gotta do is lock your back door normally, and it's secure. No more hard top. Are you back out here again? All right, well, that's going to do it for the DV8 top install. Thanks for coming again. Hey, if you found value in this, consider subscribing. Smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and you'll get updates whenever we have new videos coming. So right now, it's Warren.
It's Jill.
And Steve. And Steve. And DJ. Bye.